More than 4,500 years ago, humans faced an unprecedented challenge. How could thousands of tons of stone be transformed into a structure so precise that it still stands today? The pyramids are not just monuments, and not just royal tombs. They are an engineering, geographical, and organizational achievement far ahead of their time. In our short series, we explored stone transport, precision, and what lies inside the pyramid. Today, we connect all the pieces to understand the full picture. Why was this location chosen? How were the stones moved? How were they lifted? And why was the pyramid built this way? The first question is not how the pyramid was built, but why it was built here. The Giza Plateau lies at the edge of the desert, safe from Nile floods, yet close enough to water, food, and a large workforce. This location offered three key advantages: stability, protection, and efficient transportation. The solid desert bedrock provided a perfect foundation for a structure that could not afford to sink or shift. At the same time, the Nile served as a lifeline, connecting quarries to the construction site. Choosing this location was not random. It was the foundation of everything. One of the most common questions is, how were these massive stones moved? Some blocks weighed 20, 40, and sometimes more than 60 tons. Archaeological evidence suggests the use of wooden sleds pulled across sand. But here is where true ingenuity appears. Modern studies show that adding water to sand significantly reduces friction, making heavy stones much easier to pull. This was not magic and not superhuman strength. It was a smart understanding of natural laws. The ancient Egyptians did not fight nature. They worked with it. But moving stones is only half the story. The greater challenge was, how were these stones lifted and placed with astonishing precision? Some joints between blocks are so tight that even a blade cannot fit between them. Some researchers propose the use of internal ramps, built into the pyramid itself. These internal passages may have allowed stones to be raised level by level without massive external ramps. This precision was not accidental. It was the result of planning, measurement, and strict execution. When we enter the pyramid, we discover it is not a solid block of stone. Inside there are corridors, chambers, and carefully calculated angles. In recent years, scientists have used modern scanning techniques, such as cosmic ray imaging, to detect unknown voids inside the pyramid. These spaces do not necessarily mean hidden treasures or mysteries, but they confirm that the design was far more complex than once believed. The pyramid was built from the inside and outside at the same time. The traditional explanation says pyramids were royal tombs, and that is partly true. But some researchers believe they were also symbolic structures, representing power, stability, and cosmic order. Their shape, location, and precision reflect a deep understanding of the world and the sky. Perhaps the pyramid had not one single purpose, but many purposes combined into one structure. When we look at the pyramids today, we are not looking at silent stones. We are looking at a story of planning, organization, and knowledge. The location was not random. Transportation was not based on strength alone. Precision was not a coincidence. And despite everything we know today, this monument still pushes us to ask more questions. In the next video, we will explore how modern technology has changed the way we understand the pyramids. If you want to continue the journey, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications.